big one goes in here first. Just like that. So I'm guessing it has a shape like this. Make sure it has that contrast or whatever you call that, like that way when it sits in the back, it sits nice and firm. I could take it apart, the motor, but I'm gonna make it work from in there. Just gotta squeeze it, push it up. Don't know if this goes next. I don't know. I think so. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know what's next. I know that goes in. Maybe this goes later. I wonder if this goes next in here. Oh, I think so. Whew, okay. So 45 minutes trying to Google, couldn't find anything. Got my Rx3 wiper motor out and I went by it. So this piece with the hardware that comes from Phil's Rotary is that piece, but you have to put this piece as well together. That goes in the wiper blade like this. In first, you slide those in because I guess they make two kits instead of one piece like the original one. So those two go in here. Then once you push it up, you install this piece in here just like that. You push it up, push in up the arm, then you put the nut that it comes with it. This piece comes with the Phil Rotary part. You slide it in. You put your wiper arm up. Once you tighten this up so it could be nice and flush. One thing that Phil's Rotary didn't come with is these nuts to hold the wiper arm. I did use these from my Rx3, which I'm glad because I would not be able to figure that out. So these lock in here just like that, and then you'll be able to lock in your wipers. I loosen those two up so I could be able to move the motor. The Rx3 is gonna be the same. I'm 100% sure. Maybe one thing that will change is this bushing. Looks like it's wider and thicker than this one, unless they're both the same and one of them just got worn out. But this one for the Rx3 is easy to take out because it comes from the top up there. You could be able to slide it out compared to this that's on the way. So I figured out after a while nobody has posted it anywhere. Good thing I had my Rx3 to figure it out. And I wonder who has these hardware so I can be able to get it from my Rx3. And they'll lock in after the wiper and you're good to go. But I noticed the cable for that is not in, so once I connect them I have to dig around under the dash to try to find that cable. But any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you want for more Rx3, Rx2 content.